All right, we are going to be installing the jump seats here. The customer is actually coming by for a quick visit, and so we want to get some seats in to kind of give it an example of what it's going to look like, to show him, one, the seats themselves. He's seen them on video, but also just show them up close and personal. So we put a set of seats in here, and you can see down at the end there, they're being unwrapped from their storage and will be installed. The carpeting in the back and in the center section is pretty much done. And I'll move around actually and show you the... These are in fact our leather seats. They have been reupholstered. And it's a nice match. It's a nice contrast, I think. It looks sharp. We're reconnecting the bracketry that holds it to the wheel well. What's neat about the Land Cruiser is that you can take these seats out fairly easily, completely out, or, you know, obviously fold them away, and that's what he's doing here, but there they are. Headrests and all, looks really good.